Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 6.1 question number 3. Verify by drawing a diagram if the median and altitude of an isosceles triangle can be same. Right? Let us take a triangle. Let us take an isosceles triangle, that is two sides are of same length. Right? Let us take one triangle, that is first take a scale first. Take this scale and let us take one triangle. Right? The triangle is, let us take a triangle first. This is 5 centimeter. Right? Now with the help of scale we will make an isosceles triangle. Right? Isosceles triangles means that they have that in this triangle the lengths two sides are same. Right? Let us take an compass. Let us take a compass and divide this line with this pointer. Take this pointer here. Take an arc more than half. Right? And draw an arc here. We take this pointer here and draw an arc here. Right? And take this pointer here and draw another arc. Take this pointer here, draw another arc. Right? Draw another arc. Now join this triangle. Right? Join this side. Then you will get an isosceles triangle. Right? Where if you join this one, if you join this one, you will get an isosceles triangle. This triangle will be joined by this triangle. Join this side. Now if we draw a line, three point 7 centimeter, and here also if we draw this line, both the sides are same. Right? Here you see this is A. Write the name here. This is A. Let us take another color, blue color. This is A. This is B. And this is C. Right? Now you have to take the midpoint of BC. Right? Take the midpoint of BC. Right? With the help of compass, we will take the midpoint of BC. Right? Or first, we will find a perpendicular on BC. Right? To find that, take this point on A. take this point on A and make an arc here, right? Make an arc here, right? Now take this pointer at this point and make another arc, and take this pointer at this point and make another arc. Take this point here, take this point here and make another arc, right? Now with the help of this scale, we'll draw the altitude here. We'll draw the altitude. Right? Here is the altitude. Right? This is the altitude. Right? I will name it here that A, B, C. This is a D point, and this is point E, E point. Now here you see that B is equal to EC because this is the median also, right? Here, if you divide this BC, or if we measure this BC, let us measure this one, measure this side. Here is side. Let us measure this one. This is 5 centimeter. Here you see, that BE is 2.5 centimeter and EC is 2.5 centimeter. Therefore, is the midpoint of BC. Right? Here you see that. Now here you find that what is that? That E is the midpoint of BC. E is the midpoint, is the midpoint of BC. Therefore, you can say that BE is equal to EC. Therefore, AE is the medium. AE is the median. AE is the median. Right? And also, AD is perpendicular on BC. AD is perpendicular on BC. Right? Or you can say that A is the altitude, or AE is the altitude. A is the altitude. A is the altitude on side BC. On side BC. From the figure, here you conclude that here we conclude Here we conclude that that median and altitude of this isosceles triangle is same. Median and altitude, median and altitude, median and altitude of this isosceles triangle, isosceles triangle is same. Right? Here also AB is equal to AC. That is, it is an isosceles triangle. That is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Right? Here you see again the verify by drawing a diagram if the median and altitude of an isosceles triangle can be same. Here we have drawn an isosceles triangle, that is AB is equal to AC. Right? After that we have drawn a altitude on the line BC. Here you see this is this taken an arc. From here we cut this one, from here we cut this one, and with the altitude, right? That is A is the altitude of the triangle, isosceles triangle ABC, right? Not only that, we have found by measurement that E is the midpoint of BC, right? That is BE is equal to EC. Therefore, you can say that A is also the median. From this figure, from this drawing, we can conclude that the median and altitude of this isosceles triangle is same. That is AE. A is the median and A is the altitude also, right? Of this isosceles triangle, AB equal to AC, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.